निजघान रणे रामस्तेषाञ्चैव पदानुगान् वने तस्मिन् निवसता जनस्थाननिवासिनाम् निजघान घास महाप्रणः रणे रामः विसर्ग changes to su there tesham ramastesham because of sandhi cha tesham ends in anuswara followed by cha, so it becomes teshancha because of sandhi eva chaiva because of sandhi. Pada anugan, padanugan is a compound word. Vane tasmin nivasata janasthana nivasinam is a compound word. Sthana dhas mahapranah. Nijaghanarane ramasteshanchaiva padanugan vane tasmin nivasata janasthana nivasinam. Rakshasan nihatanyasan sahasrani chaturdasha tato jnati vadham shrutva ravanah krodhamurchitah. Rakshasam nihatani. Rakshasam ends in anuswara followed by n, nihatani. So it becomes Rakshasan nihatani. The anuswara changes to n because of sandhi. Asan nihatanyasan because of sandhi. Sahasrani Chaturdasha is a compound word. Tataha becomes tato because of sandhi. Jnati vadham is a compound word. Dhamaha pranaha. Shrutva ravanaha. Visarga changes to jihva mulya. Krodhamurchitaha is a compound word. The dha and cha are mahapranaha. Ravanah krodhamurchitaha because of sandhi. Rakshasan nihatan yasan sahasrani chaturdasha tato jnati vadham shrutva ravanah krodhamurchitaha. Sahayam varayamasa maricannama rakshasam varyamana subahusho marichena sa ravanaha. Sahayam varayamasa. Sahayam ends in anuswara followed by va. So it becomes Sahayam varayamasa. The anuswara changes to the nasal of va. Maricham nama. Maricham ends in anuswara followed by na. So it becomes Marichan nama. The anuswara changes to na. Rakshasam varyamanaha. Visarga changes to su there. Subahushaha. Varyamana subahushaha because of sandhi. Subahushaha becomes subahusho because of sandhi. Marichena saha. Visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Ravanaha. Sahayam varayamasa marichannama rakshasam varyamana subahusho marichena saravanaha. Navirodho balavata kshamo ravana tena te anadrityatu tadvakyam ravanah kalachoditaha. Na virodhaha. Dhas mahapranaha. It becomes virodho because of sandhi. Balavata kshamaha becomes kshamo because of sandhi. Ravana tena te anadritya tu tat. Tu changes to the because of sandhi. Vakyam. Tadvakyam because of sandhi. Ravanaha. Visarga changes to jihva muliya. Kalachoditaha is a compound word. Ravanah kalachoditaha because of sandhi. Navirodho balavata kshamo ravanatena te anadrityatu tadvakyam ravanah kalachoditaha. Jagama sahamarichastasyaashram tada tena mayavina duramapavahya nripatmajau. Jagama sahamarichaha is a compound word. Visarga changes to su there. Tasya sahamarichas tasya because of sandhi. Ashrama padam is a compound word. Tasyashrama padam because of sandhi. Tada Ashrama padam ends in anuswara followed by tada, so it becomes the anuswara changes to n. Tasyashrama padam tada because of sandhi. Tena mayavina duram apavahya nripa atmajau is a compound word. जगामसह मारीचस्तस्याश्रमपदं तदा तेन मायाविना दूरमपवाह्य नृपात्मजौ